Welcome to Jamaica.
Nine nine seven nine five six, vacate left, contact ground 1217.
Left turn and ground 217, Delta 1997. Lima going by Romeo, 1500, descendant for the left downwind 25.
Thanks, sir, Roger. Proceed to the left base, runway 25, remain south and clear after departure pass, runway 25.
No, thanks, proceed to the left base.
Afternoon, JetBlue 779er is RNAV RMP 25.
79, thanks, sir, Roger. Continue approach, runway 25.
Approach JetBlue 779.
Stop sign, all the traffic here.
The Airbus 321 traffic is turning final now, about 10 miles final.
Normal,
25, wind 202 degrees, 9 knots.
25, JetBlue 779er.
Lima traffic now 5 miles final, runway 25.
normal. So we're to make a right orbit over the city.
Lima Roger. 779er traffic 1 mile to the south of the field, Cessna 206 at 700 feet, orbit in that position. South and clear.
Clear to land, looking for traffic, JetBlue 779er.
That's 2730, holding point in Alpha, runway 25, we're ready.
273 at Roger. Continue left base for the field landing behind the landing JetBlue.
The 293 with you on a RP25.
292, thanks, sir, Roger. Continue approach runway 25.
Southwest 293. On left base, 25, no nothing on this end.
Roger. 279 arrive 04. Repeat on Delta, contact ground 1217.
217, good day, JetBlue 779er.
Clear to land runway 25, wind 210 degrees, 11 knots.
25, copy right normal.
at 2, clear to land runway 25, wind 210 degrees, 10 knots.
5 southwest traffic.
Enter runway 25, backtracking to position and hold.
25, backtrack into position and hold, Southwest 273.
Vacate next left, contact zone 1217.
217 Southwest 292.
Wind at 200 degrees 9 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 25.
5, clear for takeoff, Southwest 273.
Try 25, ready for departure.
273 airborne 10, contact radar 20.8, good day.
Southwest 273, good day.
Lima, thanks to Roger. Clear for takeoff, runway 25, intersection Charlie, wind at 200 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear takeoff, intersection Charlie 25, copy wind normal.
Lima, make left turn, secure departure path.
Left turn to clear departure path, Lima.
Short of runway 25 on Alpha, and we don't require back taxi.
270, thanks to Roger. Clear for takeoff, runway 25, intersection Alpha, wind 200 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25, Alpha intersection, speed wind 270.
Lima, contact search on radar 120.18, good day.
120, normal, Lima.
airborne at 15, contact radar 120.8 today.
Right, for clear for 270.
Alpha, thanks for tower, roger. Here's the land runway 25, wind 220 degrees 7 knots. 5, backtrack into position, when in position. Clear for takeoff, wind 230 degrees, 6 knots.
Backtrack, line up runway 23, and clear takeoff from runway 25. Sorry about that. It's runway 25, Air Canada 983.
Cesar Tower, good morning. Copa 147 with you approaching runway 25.
Copa 147, Spirit Tower, enter my second position runway 25.
Entering back to runway 25 of our 147. And Francis Copa 175. Just to confirm, we're clear to enter and back to 25, right? That's right?
Copa 147, affirm, enter and back to position runway 25. Canada 983, airborne 27, contact radar 120.8 today.
Over to 120.8, Canada 983. And
47 position, clear for takeoff, runway 25, wind 230 degrees 10 knots.
Runway 25, Copa 147.
Frontier Flight 17, we are on the RNC 25.
Frontier Flight 17, Ascend, Spirit Tower, clear to land runway 25, wind 240 degrees 9 knots.
Clear to land 25, Frontier Flight 17.
Delta 17, cancel and clearance, continue approach runway 25.
Clearance will continue. Power 146, climbing out all to Texas.
And Copa 147, airborne 30, contact radar 120.8 today. Frontier Flight 17, clear to land runway 25, wind 230 degrees 9 knots.
25, Frontier Flight 17. We're on the RNC 25.
06, San Victor, continue approach runway 25.
Delta sign of 6.
Flight 17, 34, vacate, taxi, Charlie, contact ground 121.71 clear.
Vacate Charlie, 2171 clear, Frontier Flight 17.
Delta 906, clear to land runway 25, wind 220 degrees 9 knots.
Julian 25, Southwest 906.
Delta 906, 36, taxi, Charlie, contact ground 121.7.
Can we get Delta?
Yeah, roger, vacate taxi, Delta.
Then grab Southwest 906.